Okay, student. Today we will discuss about the metric system. Okay, so in the metric system, uh, in a metric system of measurement, we uses meter, gram, liter as base units. Okay, in metric system, we use meter, gram, and liter as base units. Okay, when we use mathematics, we have to use some units. Okay, like meter, gram, liter. Okay, these are the units. Okay, so in length, we use in case of distance. So when we measure distance, we use length, that means meter, kilometer. These are the units. When we use mass, okay, like weights, okay, then we use gram, kilogram, these units. Okay, and when we measure the volume, okay, when we measure the volume, that means capacity, then we use liter, kiloliter. Okay, this type of units. So in a metric system, we measure length, weight, and capacity. Okay, length, weight, and capacity. In length we use meter. Okay, length, weight, and capacity, that means liter, that means in capacity, that means volume. Okay, so I have made a chart here: kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. Okay, suppose if I take meter as base, suppose I take 1 meter. Okay, suppose I take 1 meter. So what will be its decameter? What will be its decameter? Its decameter will be 1 by 10 meter. Okay, 1 by 10, sorry, 1 by 10 decameter. What will be its hectometer? It will be 1 by 100 hectometer. Okay, and what will be its kilometer? It is 1 by 1000 kilometer. Okay, if we go upward from meter, then we write decimeter. In case of decimeter, it will be 10 decimeter. Okay, 10 decimeter. Okay, if we go again upward, then it will be centimeter. That means 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. We go again upward, then it will be 1000 millimeter. Okay, so if the unit or the base length is 1 meter, then if we go downward, that means decameter, hectometer, kilometer, then we divide the first decameter divided by 10. If it is hectometer, divide by 100. If it is kilometer, then it is divided by 1000. Okay, if we go upward, that means decimeter, centimeter, millimeter, then first we multiply by 10. This one will multiply by 10. This one, in case of centimeter, multiply by 100. In case of millimeter, it will be multiplied by 1000. Okay, similarly, if it is 1 gram, if it is 1 gram, if it is 1 gram, then similarly again, if it comes to downward, then it will be 1 by 10 decagram. Okay, again downward, then it will be 1 by 100 hectogram. Okay, again downward, divide by 1000 kilogram. Okay, if you go upward, then multiply by 10. Multiply by 10, that means decigram. Decigram. Okay, Again upward, multiply by 100, that means centigram. Again upward, 1000 milligram. Okay, so in case of length, we use 1 meter, decameter, 1 by 10 decameter, 1 by 100 hectometer, 1 by 1000 kilometer, like this. In kilogram, same measurement, same process. In case of liter, like 1 liter. Okay, if it comes to downward, then divide by first step is divide by 10, that means decaliter, then 1 by 100 hectoliter, then 1 by 1000 kiloliter. Okay, again go to upward, then multiply by 10 deciliter, then multiplied by 100, it is centiliter, and multiply by 1000 milliliter. Okay, so in this way, if we take base either meter, gram or liter, okay, if it comes to decameter, hectometer, kilometer, then it will be divide. We always, it is divide. If it comes to upward, that means decimeter, centimeter, millimeter, or decigram, centigram, milligram, or deciliter, centiliter, milliliter, then we multiply by 100. Okay, in similar way, if you write this way, that means row wise, kilo, hecta, deca, meter, deci, centi, milli. Okay, suppose I am taking 10 meter. Okay, I am taking 10 meter. So what will be its millimeter? What will be its millimeter? Millimeter is here. That means when we convert it to millimeter, we have to multiply by 1000. 10, 100, 1000. That means what we write? 10,000 millimeter. Okay, multiply by what? 10 multiply by 1000. That is why we write 10,000. Similarly, if we convert 10 meter to hectometer, then what we write? Here we divide 10 by what? 100. Deca, when it comes to deca, divide by 10. When it comes to hecta, divide by 100. Okay, divide by 100. When it comes to kilo, divide by 1000. Okay, so when we go to right side from the base, that means meter or liter or gram, when it comes to right side, we will multiply. Always you remember, we will multiply. When it comes to left side, we will divide. Okay, we will divide. When we go to right side, that means if we want to come to decimeter or deciliter or decigram, okay, then we will multiply by 10. Centi multiply by 100. Milli multiply by 1000. Milli multiply by 1000. Centi multiply by 100. Multiply by 100. Okay. When you go to millimeter, when you go to millimeter or milligram or milliliter, from meter you multiply by 1000. When you go to centimeter, centiliter, centigram, multiply by 100. When you go to deci, from meter, you multiply by 10. Okay, that means when we go to right side, always remember, when you go to right side, we will multiply by first, if it is decimeter, then 10. If it is centimeter, multiply by 100. If it is millimeter, then we multiply by 1000. Again, if you go to left side, that means from meter or gram or liter, from gram, meter or liter. If you go to left side, that means deca. You go to left side, that means decagram, decameter, decaliter. Then it will be divide by 10. Divide by 10. If you go to hectare, divide by 100. Okay. If you go to kilo, then we divide by 1000. Okay. In this way we use the metric system. It is very important, because for solving the sums, sometimes we have to convert meter to kilometer, or kilometer to meter, or from meter to centimeter, or from kilogram to milligram. Okay, we have to convert it, and that's why we should understand the idea of metric system. Okay, so students, you practice this metric system, and at least you show me 10 convert from either meter to kilometer or kilogram to liter. Okay, you show me 10 conversion. Okay, 10 conversion. Okay, either from left side or from right side. Okay, and show me tomorrow. Okay, after that I will give you some homework. Thank you.